Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can use the pre-installed QR code scanner at the Poco M4 Pro. Okay, for that we have to scroll down right next to the camera. So scroll down right next to the camera, then you will have the control center. And there's a shortcut for the QR code reader, so this one here. And then you have to agree first. Use it for the very first time. Yeah, and take the first one while using the app. Take on allow that I have access to the photos and media. So this is just for the very first time. And then just go on the QR code you want to scan. And in my case, it's the way to say thank you for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.